Maybach Vision GT.
And so, today we present to your attention a new model from Maybach Vision GT.
Which customer segment is this model intended for?
I think for young, wealthy families who have one, maximum 2 children.
For what purposes will they need such a car?
For long-distance travel between cities and even countries, actively, dynamically and comfortably.
What's under our hood?
Apparently, a 5-liter biturbo with varying degrees of supercharging and boost depending on the configuration.
Well, we are looking forward to this new model on our roads.
Unleash the pure essence of the drive.